little, then you can run it like this.
That will blow out, fool.
Well, no, fool. Look.
Look his idea, guys. Don't do this shit at home. This is what he thinks. This is what he really thinks. Okay,
So,
that thing doesn't fit.
Oh, you can make it fit though.
You
It
think
will
so?
Fit, yeah.
Okay.
And it's gonna snug tighter, so it's gonna be stronger. After that, you run this right here. Voila! No, you can
That
just,
would pop out.
I know. You can just run like
That's
this.
right. We get the part.
Okay, you just run like this.
We do have the part coming.
You won't fit just like that.
Let's give let's give the people what we have going.
Juice.
The concept.
So we drilled the hole right here. So what's up, fellas? So we're back again. I'm gonna show you guys how we really reran this intercooler piping that I purchased somewhere online. We had installed the colder side of the turbo piping. I'm sorry, we haven't really clamped it. We just kind of plumbed it here like that because we don't really know where it goes yet. But something like that comes around here. I'm still waiting for my 2.5 by 3-inch coupler. They sent me the wrong one, so it doesn't fit. I'm waiting for that. We'll get on this after that, okay? And right here, we already kind of installed our front mount intercooler. This bad boy, actually, I'm sorry, it's kind of messed up, but it had put on some work already. It actually already made about maybe, I think it was 680 to the wheels with a built GSR motor. My buddy upgraded it, so thank you, Troy. We'll put it to good use. So here, we still haven't really piped it here, but we do our 90-degree elbow, 2.5. Again, we do have another dilemma here. Still waiting for that fitting right here that goes through here. As you can see, actually in this way, and if you look right here, I could really like angle it wherever I kind of want to, because the oil pan's all the way down there. It's not really gonna hit, so I could angle it wherever I want to really go with this one. But we still have our manifold here, a ram horn manifold. Looks pretty nice, new. 44mm from eBay, and the b20vtech civic turbo. Pretty nice, pretty sweet. Not bad. Boost controller, which is right down here. It's a 3-port Mac boost controller with a quick release. We got the lines here. We haven't really, I'm just mocking this up for the purpose of making everything fit in this little engine bay that we have. We got all the fittings. I'll show you guys when it's all done, but we do have it here. And then we're gonna find the location for, hold on, our 2-port catch can. Thank you, Brian from BNR Fittings. Thank you. Sick.
Are you sponsored though?
No,
No.
that's just a good place to buy your parts, and they look amazing.
Disclaimer.
Amazing. So I'm planning to put it right in this corner here. I might have to make some kind of fabrication, whatever I could do. I think it could be like that, or like this. I think that's a good spot, and I'll find a way to plumb this around and see how that works. We might come out, yeah. And yes, I'm already draining the water, oil. so we could drill our bong right here for our oil return line that's coming out all the way right here. So it's pretty close, so straight down. I get the fittings for that, but we were waiting on getting that oil pan drilled and get it welded for one of my friends, and also my valve cover. Also, we're gonna drill 2 holes here for our catch can. Look at this, right here somewhere. We're gonna connect it. Oh, hold on. To here, to this 2 port. I'm sure you guys seen this before, but anyone that doesn't know yet, that's what we're gonna do.
Now, was this pricey?
As you can see, this is it's not a complete kit. I bought the manifold differently. I bought the wastegate differently, and I bought the turbo differently.
Hey bro, we're recording a YouTube video. Can you chill? Okay, we're back.
And I actually bought everything, the intercooler piping, we took it out, but the intercooler piping differently. And one of my buddy donated this to me.
Probably one of the expensive part.
That's a good intercooler.
Out of the intercooler.
It does handle a little bit of power. But yes, this is a budget 10-second car. We're trying to make it with this, what we have. It's actually a b20vtech, guys. B20.
Let's see.
And it has a GSR head. It's a 96, I think, I believe. 99 GSR head. And it actually comes with a, I mean, it already has a 70 blocks of throttle body with a skunk tool manifold. And it's a good looking
BDO Industries and fuel, and
but I still have, as you can see right here, guys, this is kind of not, this is not
look.
I got it like this, so this is gonna go away. Okay, we're gonna do it right and correct, so we don't blow up anything.
And the injectors is also, I believe it's
the injectors. Actually, I haven't really purchased one yet. I do have 550s RCs that I had on my S2000.
And these are stock, or
those are stock ones right now.
Okay.
This car just has a, basically I do have a P28 with the chip ECU in there, with chip computer. But that's
hey man,
about it.
I gotta say that's a badass tool.
Yep.
So
this what made it right here, Milwaukee, baby. As you can see, Milwaukee.
Is it made in Milwaukee, Arkansas, or like
made in USA? Yeah, American made. Could be made anywhere. You guys don't believe this is not made in Milwaukee. Maybe it is, but it has to be made somewhere else too, not just Milwaukee. They can't be like, I'm gonna order hella Milwaukees. It's gonna take them forever to send it to you guys. Remember that. So they gotta have them somewhere else too, like, I don't know, in California, easily. That's why we get access to this bad boy right here.
Are you sponsored though?
Nope.
No?
Not at all. Just loving the product. Oops. That ding right there.
The hood.
Not me. Alright. Well, see you in the next one. We'll get this together. Once we get this all plumbed up, we'll show you what we did. And
The final product.
We still got my boy coming, and we'll be doing the downpipe right here. I think we're gonna go up through the hood. I think it's more like racer status. And also our dump tube right here, it's probably just gonna go straight up, or maybe have like a little 45 angling that way. So anybody that's watching that way, like that way, they're gonna see the flames too. Bring over marshmallows, guys. This is gonna be a hot one. Peace out.